The Grandmaster Evolution AC power cable from Tara Labs is an extreme reference high-end audio power cable. The Grandmaster Evolution AC cable was designed and created to be used with those ultra high-end systems that need a power cable that could not only handle the load, but able to properly convey the current in its purest form. The purity of AC current is one of the components that often make the difference between a good audio system and a great one. The Grandmaster Evolution AC cable is all custom handcrafted in Oregon, USA, and lifetime guaranteed. The Grandmaster Evolution AC power cable employs 28 rectangular solid core conductors on each of the conductor runs, for a total of 84 solid core frequency conductors. These conductors are super annealed, oxygen-free, monocrystal, 99.999999% pure copper frequency-tuned conductors. In addition, there are also 9 low-frequency conductor pads added to the cable's construction. The 84 RSC high-frequency conductors are shielded in 3 separate groups for live, neutral, and ground. Then the shields are combined to provide a phenomenal ground path together with RF EMI rejection. The Grandmaster Evolution AC power cables use the Oyati plugs, which are available in US and Euro terminations, though custom terminations are also available. This termination has a tonal character that is very natural sounding, which when paired with Tara Labs AC power cables is quite exceptional. The Grandmaster Evolution is an extraordinary high-end audio AC power cable. The benefits of using this with an audio system are simply amazing. High frequency extension, incredible soundstage, as well as phenomenal musicality. It is truly the ultimate in high-end audio power cables. Tara Labs, unlike anything you've ever heard or imagined.